Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to remove Gmail account on iPhone and Android phone. So guys, let's get started the video without wasting your time. So guys, first of all open Chrome apps on your phone. After that, sign in your Gmail account. Tap on continue. After that, now we can see is sign in Gmail. Now how can remove this Gmail account from phone? Tap it and then tap on sign out. Back home screen. Again open Gmail app on your phone. After that, tap on profile icon and then tap on manage account on this device. Now you can see his two options, remove from device, remove. So if you want to any Gmail account remove from your phone, so tap here remove from account. Now tap on remove and remove account from your phone. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching video. Thank you.